All right, guys, here it is. The beginning of the Charger. This is a 2007 Dodge Charger. It's going to be a color change. The exterior only. I'm not going to be painting the inside. The inside's black, so I'm just going to leave the inside black. I don't want to have too much work on my hands. This is my own personal car, so it's all good. So I'm just going to be doing the exterior. Like I said, the color's going to be orange. It's like a pearl orange. So let's take a round, take a look at the car, and go from there. So this car is black right now. It doesn't have a lot of dents, major dents. The paint, as you can tell, it's burnt. It's burnt. I think this car was repainted. I purchased a car like this. This car was repainted, and I think they just sprayed some cheap single stage paint, but that's all right. We'll take care of it. Another thing is this dent that's gonna have to be taken care. So there it is, guys. Let me tell you what's next, what's gonna have to be done in order to do a paint job. Here it is. All right, first of all, guys, what I did, I washed the car. I want to make sure that I get every single little dent. So wash the car, make sure to get all the dirt and stuff off so you can see very well where the dents are. Next, get yourself a Sharpie. This is a white Sharpie. So what I'm going to be doing, it's looking through the side and start marking. Start marking where all the little dents are. That's the best way to do it. So let me start doing it and I'll come back. All right, I have located all the little dings that it had. It doesn't have major damage. All there is to this car is little door dings. So let me take you around so you can look at it and go from there. Once you have marked all your little dents that are gonna have to get repaired, well, you get to work. All you gotta do is start sanding them. Sanding them with at least 80 grit so you can rough them up. That way you can add a layer of I'm not going to be adding body filler. What I'm going to be adding is a skim coat of let me show you. Wait. Okay, this is what I'm going to be adding. It's polyester finishing putty. This is good for like hail damage and all that. Dents that are not major, and I don't have any major dents in this car, so this will work perfect for this application. That's what I'm going to be using. Just a little light skim coat, sand it down, and it should be good. This is the only one that's gonna be pulled out, straightened out, and then put some body filler on it. This one is a little bit bigger. I need to pull it out first and add some body filler. But the rest is they're not that bad. So let me get started and I'll bring you back. All right, guys, let me show you how to take care of those little small dents that you circled. And I put 80 grit on the DA. Don't go full throttle on the DA, just scuff it up to where that you did that circle, and that's it. Let me show you. And that's it, guys. You can see there, it's just scuffed up and ready for that polyester putty. So let me start adding it, show you how, and let's go with it. Alright guys, after the polyester putty has been dried, start sanding it. I have 220 on the DA, and I'm gonna just, all you need to do is keep it flat. Don't tilt it, just keep it flat. Start sanding until you have the feather edge, and that'll be good. Let me show you. Alright guys, after smoothing it out and feathering it, get a block sander and start sanding it. I still have 220 in the block sand. And that's it guys, it's done. So I'm gonna keep on doing that same method on all of them and have it ready. Alright guys, as you can see here, I already started to prime it. The body work that it had, I still need this one, and I still need this one right here. This red thing that you see here, it's red putty. It's just to cover little pinholes and light scratches that might be in the filler that I added. So that's all it is. All you need to do to take it off is just the way I do it is wet sand. I get a bucket, put some 320 on it, and wet sand off the red putty, and it'll just stay in where the pinholes and scratches are at. That's it. That's all it is for. And let me take you around. Everything has been fixed. This dent that was here has been fixed, primed. The car has been sanded already also with 220 on with the DA. I sanded the hood. I sanded almost everything sanded. This, I decided just to buy a new fender. It wasn't that expensive, so I just decided to buy a new fender. I installed it. It's ready to go. All you need to do is scuff it down with a gray Scotch-Brite before adding the sealer. Or in my case, I'm going to be adding sealer. The car is black. I'm going to paint it orange. So I need a sealer to change this color. It's too dark, and it's going to take a lot of coats to cover it up. So I'll be using a sealer for that. You can see everything's almost done. I still need to take the mirror off and the moldings, the trim. I like to take every single thing off that it can be taken off so that the paint can go inside, and once you put everything back, the paint's gonna be inside. You won't be having chips and all that. This paint job that was here has a lot of chips that are coming out. That's not good. So if you can take it off, take it off. What do you call this? Seal. I'm sorry. This seal that it has here, I'm gonna take it off also, so that the paint can travel inside. I still need to scuff through the inside. I'm not gonna paint the inside, but I'm gonna scuff it so that the paint can go inside as much as possible. I still need to sand the top. And that's it guys. What I'm doing right now, I'm sanding it with a DA with 220, and that's what I'm doing right now. Guys, I'm gonna make this video, I believe it's gonna be 2 videos. This is gonna be part 1 guys. I don't want to show you the sanding process and all that. All I'm gonna do is just get the DA, start sanding it. Start sanding it with 220. Then I'm gonna progress to 320. The final sand that I'm gonna be doing is gonna be wet sand. A lot of people don't like to wet sand, but I love to wet sand. So I'm gonna be wet sanding the entire car again, with excluding the fender. I don't need to wet sand that. I'm gonna just scuff it down with a gray Scotch-Brite. But everything else, I'm gonna sand it down with a wet sandpaper with 400. 400 will be the last sanding that this car is gonna have, and it's gonna be wet sanded, so it's gonna give you a nice smooth finish, and it'll be ready. It'll be ready. So that's it. That's it, guys. This is it for this video. The next one's going to be the painting process. I'm going to show you how to throw the sealer, how to throw the paint, how to throw the clear. And I'm also going to be using a new paint gun, guys. It's going to be the Ani 200 Black. That's the paint gun that I did the unboxing of. So I'm going to be using that paint gun to paint this car. So that'll be a review and demonstration on it too. So this is it, guys. Guys, like the video, share the video. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the link below. Help me out if you can. And hit the little bell icon also, so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And this is it, guys. There's another one. Stay tuned for the next video after this one. That's going to be the painting process. And that's it, guys. Thank you and God bless.